Welcome back, guys. So this is a follow-on video from the Samba beginner video a few weeks ago, developing your routine to the next level. Here's a little recap. Firstly, moving on to a volta now. We can do these moving in a straight line, but I have done them rotating on the spot, challenging you that little bit more. In slow motion, we're crossing with the left foot first and then rotating to the right with your right foot. Into a basic salsa step, then challenging yourself again with the bachata step, which you would have seen a million times on Strictly. It's a toughie, so concentrate on the steps and those hips of yours. Here it is, all banged together. Enjoy.